Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you guys my Robinhood account for my weekly profits. As you can see here, it's $234 profit for this week, and yeah, I've been doing great so far. What I can say is every dollar counts. If we go to here on the 14th, which is Monday, I made $85, right? And then go on to Tuesday, 96. So every single dollar counts. And then the next day I went up a little bit more, $138, and we go to 211, and then finally 234. So yeah, because I've been paper trading in the past, I've been putting it into practice. So I just urge you guys to just take it one step at a time. What led me to actually making these profits for the week is actually doing one trade per day, exactly the same way that I've been doing it with the paper trading account. So that helped me out a lot. Doesn't matter how much I made, I just make sure and not to over trade, and I only do one trade per day. And as you guys can see, if I keep this up on a weekly basis, my account will just continue to grow higher and higher. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and yeah, make sure to smash that subscribe button and like button, all that stuff. You know what it is, it's YouTube, you know what to do. Peace.